Hello everyone, it's David from Swansway Peugeot in Chester. I wanted to show you this extremely fantastic example of our 508 Fastback GT line. I'm sure you can agree with the facelift, they've done a fantastic job here. If any of the lights are flashing on at the front, it is just a video, so there's no worry there. This is a 1.6 diesel manual, 6-speed gearbox. As you can see, it's got a fantastic option of the sliding panoramic sunroof. Here we have 19-inch diamond cut wheels, front and rear sensors and a rear camera. You will be receiving a Spacesaver spare wheel as well. And with the pearl white paint effect, as you can see, it does pair really well with the black door mirrors and the privacy glass. If we take a look at the rear of the vehicle, passengers will be benefiting from a half leather interior. Also comes with a centre armrest just to give some extra support for the arms, and 2 cup holders. We have a look at the centre. Passengers can also benefit from 2 USB ports. Half leather interior in the front again with these really supportive sport seats. Here we have the digital dashboard. As you can see, it's only done 17,828 miles. 2 cup holders in the centre. And if your phone's got built-in wireless charging, you pop it on that port there and your phone will charge. You've got 2 USB ports and a cigarette lighter again. You've got the all-new display in the centre. Fantastic options of what they've done here. They've really transformed the model. If this is something that you are interested in, I would urge booking in an appointment, and as it won't last for long, we only have one GT line available at the moment. We do have an Allure just behind us. The car's priced at $29.90. If you are interested in booking an appointment, please ask myself. My name's David. Our telephone number is 01244 398 600. Thank you very much.